Today we'll show you how to install a Draw-Tite custom trailer hitch, part number 75528. This hitch application will fit the following makes and models of vehicles. For this video, we will be installing the hitch on a 2017 Chevy Traverse. Before beginning the installation, be sure to familiarize yourself with all parts included in the instructions. For this installation, we will be using the following tools. We also recommend wearing safety equipment. Before starting the install, be sure to remove the fascia door. Next, you'll want to lower the exhaust. Use a hanger strap to support the exhaust system and prevent damage. Then, using exhaust removal pliers, remove the rubber isolators and gently lower the exhaust. Start the installation by using masking tape to secure the spacers to the hitch. This will make it easier when lifting the hitch into place. After taping the spacers, set the handle nuts in place on the vehicle's frame and hold them there, again using masking tape. Lift your hitch into position over the exhaust tailpipes, aligning the slots in the hitch with the weld nuts in the bottom of the vehicle's frame rails. Once aligned, use the M12 bolts and half-inch conical washers to loosely fasten each end of the hitch. Moving to the center of the hitch, install half-inch bolts and conical washers into the central receiver bracket and through the handle nuts. Once you have the bolts in place and hand tightened, remove the masking tape used to hold the spacers and handle nuts. Then use a torque wrench to tighten the M12 hex bolts to 92 foot-pounds. Torque the half-inch hex bolts to 50 foot-pounds. Next, raise the rear portion of the exhaust back into position and attach the rubber exhaust hangers. Then, reattach the rear fascia door. This concludes the installation for the Draw-Tite custom trailer hitch on this 2017 Chevrolet Traverse, part number 75528. For more information on this and other great products from Draw-Tite, visit draw-tite.com.